What's up everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to save your game in Roblox Studio. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and search Studio Lite and play the game. And after making the game, you can see top left corner file option. Here, click on file option, then click on save. Click on save as. Type your game name here and give the description. And then click on save. And then your game will be successfully saved in Studio. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.